Welcome to Industrial Transformation World News, as we bring to you the latest news and technologies shaping the digital manufacturing industry. In this week's edition, we start with news that global cybersecurity experts Trend Micro have formed a partnership with technology leader Fujitsu to enhance the security of private 5G networks in smart factories. Trend Micro says that benefits include blocking of unauthorized communications, authentication of devices trying to connect, and protection and detection of threats to the private 5G network all in real time. A spokesperson said, "We're delighted to be joining forces with Fujitsu to tackle the immense challenge of cybersecurity for private 5G. Together, we are making smart manufacturing more secure to ensure production isn't stopped due to a cyber attack." Industry 4.0 is coming of age. What began in 2011 at the Hannover Fair as a pioneering German project has now gained global traction, thanks in part to groundbreaking work by industrial giant Bosch. They announced last week that since 2011 that they have generated sales of more than 4 billion euros with Industry 4.0 and more than 700 million euros in 2020 alone. At Bosch plants around the world, over 120,000 machines and 250,000 devices feature connectivity, and as president and CEO of Bosch Rexroth, Rolf de Jorg said, "We recognize the potential of Industry 4.0 early on and are pioneers in this field. Now we're reaping the rewards." Google Cloud and Siemens have announced a new cooperation to optimize factory processes and improve productivity on the shop floor. Siemens intends to integrate Google Cloud's leading data cloud and artificial intelligence machine learning technologies with its factory automation solutions to help manufacturers innovate for the future. Axel Lorenz, vice president of control at Siemens Digital Industries, said combining artificial intelligence machine learning technology from Google Cloud with Siemens solutions for industrial edge and industrial operations will be a game changer for the manufacturing industry. Dominic Wee, Managing Director, Manufacturing and Industrial at Google Cloud, said that this cooperation will combine the best of both worlds and bring artificial intelligence machine learning to the manufacturing industry at scale. Last week was the Hannover Fair, the world's largest industrial show. This year was a completely digital event with over 1,800 participating companies and 90,000 registered participants. Here we give you some of the smart technologies that were revealed. KUKA, a global leader in robotics, presented a preview of an operating system of the future called Mission 2030. KUKA experts believe that robots and software will have to work hand in hand, and they say that programming a robot will become as easy as working on a computer today. Mission 2030 will help KUKA in meeting the changing needs of the market with its global network and expertise in robotics and flexible data-driven automated solutions. Global automation expert Schneider Electric showcased the EcoStruxure Automation Expert. Schneider says it supports hardware-agnostic automation systems designed to create step-change improvements across the full lifecycle of industrial assets. The EcoStruxure Automation Expert implements an open, software-defined runtime platform that enables users to avoid vendor lock and tailor architectures and control system strategies to maximize innovation and results. Festo, a leading worldwide supplier of automation technology and the performance leader in industrial training and education programs, presented the Productivity Master, a modular demonstration system for personalized USB memory sticks which shows how automation technology will evolve along the value chain when combined with digitalization. Thanks to seamless connectivity, everything fits perfectly, from the mechanical and electric systems to the intelligence. The Festo automation platform provides an integrated and practical system to link all Festo engineering tools, components, and solutions in hardware and software. US-based Ario Technologies displayed smart app technologies which they say will help revolutionize the way we share knowledge at the industrial front line. Ario creates easy-to-use knowledge-sharing products that use augmented reality to put information when and where it's needed most. Their apps make it easy for teams to access, capture, and share information in real time, and to help build a smarter, more digitally connected workforce. The products are primarily focused in eliminating downtime and helping with instant maintenance and remote troubleshooting. Also on display was Industry Fusion. This is the first manufacturer-independent open-source networking solution for smart factories and smart products that creates an interoperable link between machine, factory, and cloud platforms. The simple implementation is a central component of the solution and enables companies of all sizes to intelligently digitize production and products and to use the advantages of a broad Industry 4.0 ecosystem. Finnish company Treon were showcasing their Gateway IoT solution, which collects, processes, and transmits data from sensors to any cloud backend over a wide range of wired and wireless connectivity. It can be freely configured, extended, and run customer edge applications to enable any IoT solution. Treon say it is a key building block for wireless condition monitoring solutions, and it connects Treon and third-party industrial sensors to customer backends. News from the Fraunhofer Institute in Germany, who have announced plans for Europe's first comprehensive 5G network to explore and test new applications for 5G in production environments under real-world conditions. Call to the 5G Industry Campus Europe. It will be based in Aachen and comprise of an outdoor network of 1 square kilometer and a shop floor of 7,000 square meters. Research will include work by scientists to test the use of modern edge cloud systems for fast data processing in order to exploit the potential of 5G in networked adaptive production. And finally, if you like what we are doing, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any news, please send it to media@industrialtransformationworld.com. We'll see you next week.